This is the last haul of succulent plants that I got before last Saturday when we went to another cactus show and ended up with quite a lot more cacti plants. So this is the old hothouse I used to grow my orchids in and keep them warm over winter, but now being converted into a cactus house, including a large bird's nest we got there from last year. Nothing in it now, but it's still sitting up in the corner. I haven't moved it. Alright, so that's what we've got there. Now, what we've got up here, and find my gloves so I don't get prickled. This is an aloe verbena that I'm going to repot. I'll take those offsets off. There's 4 pups on that I'll be taking off this week and potting them up and putting them in their individual pots. And then up here, I've got 3 pieces of prickly pear cactus. And as you can see on the tip there, this one here is just starting to throw some roots. And the larger of the 3, this one here, has thrown a significant number of roots in the bottom. So that'll be getting potted up next week, leaving it another couple of days for it to dry out where it was torn off the plants. Last Saturday we went to the Cactus and Succulent Society show and we scored quite a few new plants. That one's just on the end of its flowering. It's a conophytum and you can see it's had 7 flowers already. So that'll be getting broken up relatively soon, I would think. But over there, there's another one looking very healthy. Flat spines on that one. A lot of these will be being repotted soon. The little ones won't be. They're all right. Little mammillaria with 2 offsets on it. Put him over there. This one here is the same as the last one. Mammillaria Arizona Snowcap. They're a little bit dry, so I'll get a watering later. But you'll see this offset has come off there. So I'll be letting that sit for a few days to dry out, about a week. Then I'll repot it. There's another guy. Nice pink colour around the spines. Another one with very flat spine. No pups on that, which is unusual for most of the ones that I bought. But I do love this one, kind of serious. Look at the red on the top of that. Isn't that lovely? Unfortunately, that's got no pups on it, but I'll be getting some more of those, that's for sure. I really like that one. The next one, a Cactus, and it has 1 little pup on it. There, actually, it's got 2 little pups on it down there. 1 over there, right? So it's got 3 pups on it after all that. This one here's a Cactus, looking quite healthy. And this little guy here, look at all the pups on that. There's 2, 3, probably 4 of those are ready to be taken off and repotted. The other ones round here are too small, but there's about another 7 little pups on that one there that are too small to take off. Another guy is seriously filling up this little 2-inch pot. It needs to be repotted, and probably 1, 2, 3 of those pups I'll take off and pot them up. Here's a Stena Cactus, looking very, very nice. Seriously good quality plants they had at the show. Very, very good. Kind of serious with 3 pups on it. That one there's large enough to go. 4 pups, there's another one down the bottom. I'll leave those, but I'll take that one off this week, let it dry out, and then we'll pot it up. A euphorbia, which is unusual for me because it's one of the tall ones. And I normally only like the barrel cactus type ones, the round ones, the spherical ones. Here's another Stena Cactus, lovely white dots all over it. No pups on that one. An Astrophytum, these white dots, and some spines up the top. Quite strong spines, but not many of them. No pups on that little guy. A Rebutter, R-E-B-U-T-I-A. Haven't seen them before, I know nothing about them, but it's an interesting shape and it's got at least 3 pups on it that are ready to be removed. Astrophytum again, Bishop's Hat, also with the little white dots on it. Healthy little plant, no offsets. And now some Lipper, red one, red to red head. Bizarre name, but there it is. Venteria, pale green with dark green markings on it. I've actually got a mix of these seedlings down, waiting for them to germinate, but we'll wait and see. There's another one, darker this time, the brown marks on it, grey colour with the brown marks on it. Caras Montana, this one, different configuration of plant growth. Last but not least, Leslie Eye, 2 of them in there, looking rather healthy. Nice bottle green. Very nice. So that was cacti that we got in individual plants. This is a tray of Lobelia. I'll come in a bit close and you can see This is a tray. I think there's about 31, 32 plants in there that I got from the succulent show from a grower who grows a lot of stuff by seed. And he had 4 or 5 different trays there that he's run out of time to repot them. So I picked up this tray and I got it for $30 Australian. I say there's about a bit over 30 plants in it. And there's some very nice little plants in it. They'll be potted up. I'll get a close up on that guy. There we go, complete with pups. Most of them have got pups on them. These plants will be available free for members who join the Shadehouse Gardener members area on Patreon. And that'll be coming up pretty soon. I'll put that promotion up and you join for a couple of months and you receive one of these cactus free, complete with pups on it. All right, so that's our haul from last Saturday. That one there and all of these plants over here now, most of which need attention, which I'll be getting in the next couple of days. Conophytum bilobum. You can see there's 6 or 7 flowers that have died off on there. The last one's there. It's looked a bit shonky. It's not going to last very much longer, but it is a lovely yellow flower. That plant will be broken up pretty soon. We'll separate that into a couple of different plants.